Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial I'm going to show you step by step how you can create a task and assign team members to the task on ClickUp. So let's get right into it. Log into your account on ClickUp, of course, either via the web browser or the desktop application of ClickUp. Select the workspace here in the top left corner, and after that, guys, choose the space you would like to work on. I will go with the default everything space here, so click on it, and here in your spaces overview you will see that button in the top right corner, add task, so click on it, of course. Alternatively, you may click on that arrow down icon here and select from the drop down menu either task, milestone, or browse through task templates. For example, if you'd like to use some customizable task templates. So I'm going to create a task from scratch here by clicking on add task here. That is going to open up that window for me, and here you can edit and customize your tasks. For example, start by selecting your category. You can choose between task, dog, reminder, chat, whiteboard, and dashboard. So obviously I'm going to stick with task. Here below, assign a location to that task, and here to the right, select task again from the drop down menu, unless you would like to go with a milestone. After that, enter your task and task's name here. Add a description below. Alternatively, you may ask the artificial intelligence to write a description for you and for your team members by clicking on Write with AI here, and simply enter your prompt here into that bar here. For example, what would you like the AI to write for you? So you can do that here. Below that, select your task status. Obviously it should be to do because it hasn't started yet, but you can also set the status to complete or in progress. Here to the right, you can set a due date, a priority level, you can add tags and various subtasks and checklists by clicking on these three dots here. And here at the bottom, guys, you can attach files, for example, by clicking on that paperclip icon here. For example, use useful information or to-do lists or hints and tips for your team members working on a given task, and so on and so forth. And once that's done, guys, click on create task here in the bottom right corner, or alternatively click on that arrow icon here and select, for example, create and duplicate to create the same task twice or in a double version, or start another one. So guys, I'm going to create that task for demonstration purposes, and once that's done, your task will be moved to the space you added it to, and you can access it by clicking on it. And here in that overview, you can customize your created task, for example, set a different status or assign team members simply by clicking on assignees here and by entering the email address or the username of the contact or team member you'd like to add to that task here and make him or her an assignee. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.